Hiya, today we're going to make crusty bread rolls, and this is what you need. 500 gram of strong bread flour, this is white one. You need 7 gram of yeast, they come in separate packets these, so they're easy to do. 7 gram of sea salt we're using, and 350 ml of lukewarm water. Okay, so we're going to prepare this and then we'll show you what to do. Hiya, so we've measured it all out. Now what we're going to do is just put it all together. Flour in your bowl. Put your yeast in. Make sure you get it all out. Get your salt in. I'm going to make a well in the middle and whop your water in. Just mix that up a bit. And put that in there. If your water's too cold or too hot, it'll either kill the yeast or it won't activate it, so it needs to be lukewarm. Lukewarm, but it don't. Okay, so what we're going to do is start mixing this in. So when I've mixed it, I'll get back to you. Okay. Now we've mixed it in, it's a bit wet, just a little bit, and we've floured the surface. So what we're going to do is plop it out on the surface, and then we're going to knead it. And you're going to knead it for about 10 minutes. To get it properly done, okay? So we'll do that and then we'll get back to you, okay? So as you knead in this, you're going to add more flour at a time while it's going until it's not sticky, okay? So keep kneading it and add a little bit more flour to your board and then carry on. But you're going to do this for about 10 minutes, folding it in, turning it over and all that, okay? So we'll come back to you in about 10 minutes when we've done that, okay? Right, so we've kneaded this for about 10 minutes, just doing that and everything, adding more flour. Now it's quite elastic. What we're going to do, put it in a bowl and cover it with a tea towel for about an hour and 50 minutes until it rises up. Okay, so you need it in a warm place because it's quite warm today. We'll leave it near a window. And then we'll get back to you, okay? Right, we've left it about an hour 50 and as you can see it's come up. So it's like that. What I'm going to do now is split them up into maybe 6 portions. Put them on here. I've just put a bit of olive oil on this. Then we're going to cover them again for a few minutes. But I'll get back to you when I've got them on the tray. Okay? Right, so we're getting it out, sticking it on a floured board, and then splitting it up. And then we'll get back to you. Okay? Right, we've split it up into 6. So they're pretty much even. Then we're going to cover them again for another 15 minutes and then we're going to whop them in your oven, okay? Just cover them for about 15 minutes, we'll get back to you, okay? Right, we've set our oven to preheat to the bread mark on there, so when the light goes off it's ready to go in. We've had these on 15 minutes, just proving it again a bit more. And then as soon as the light goes off they're going in for about half an hour, okay? So we'll do that and then we'll get back to you. Right, the light's gone off now. I'm going to pop them in for about half an hour. What I was going to say to you as well, the temperature is probably 200 on a fan assisted and probably 220, 230 on a non-fan assisted. Okay? Right, we've had them on 35 minutes. We've took them out. They're looking like this. We've cut one up and you've got your air pockets and it's cooked all the way through. So we're going to butter it up and have a do with it. Okay?